We got these guys lined back up. Again, 6 laps of distance. We're going to lose our little fella there in the 18 machine. We still got 3 of them to go at it here. Lights are off. We're going to go green flag out of turn 4. Mills and Evans on that front row. Green flag is out. We're underway. Points champion Braden Mills going to work that middle line. T. Evans trying to run him down the back straightaway. The Wild Child back there in the 3rd spot. They're starting to fan out. That 30 machine is on full dig out front. Lap number 1 in the books. Give it to the 30 machine of Braden Mills. He's going to work up a little higher up on the racetrack. That's going to leave the door open for the 19. Trouble on the 30 machine as he's going to lose power down the back straightaway. Trouble for the 30 machine, our points champion. Caution flag going to come out for the 30 machine. Looks like we're going to lose the 30 machine. He is broke. So lights are out. We're going to go green flag. We're down to 2. 5 more laps around for the Wild Child and T. Evans. Green flag is out. We're back underway. The Wild Child going to take the lead in the 10 machine. They're going to go side by side into 3-4. T going to slide job in turn 4 and slams the door shut on the Wild Child. 2 laps in the books. T going to extend the race lead to about 5 car lengths down the back straightaway. The Wild Child going to work a little lower line, try to run him down the front straightaway. Ooh, killed something there on the front straightaway. Two laps left to go. Track photographer Selleck hopping the guardrail. He's going to go grab the debris off the racetrack under green flag conditions. You better hurry up, Selleck. They're coming. Run, Selleck. White flag is out. One more time around for T. Evans. He's braver than I am with that 10 car out there. We call him the Wild Child for a reason. Down the back straightaway for the final time. The T19 trying to put it in victory lane one more time here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Out of turn 4. Checkered flag is out. Rock Creek, West Virginia's T. Evans going to pick up the feature win in the mini wedges. 2nd spot, we'll go to Robinson, West Virginia's the Wild Child, Stephen Lusher. Special thanks to Mills Floor and Cover and VP Racing Fuels for sponsoring our mini wedge division. American All-Star Series late models. You are up for your feature event. You need to start making your way to the chute for your feature.